This is what we call the public washrooms. Mwe nabagala toyinga sa public kati nga wanene nga wanene oba ogenda kikola bweba tibakitegeeza nti singa obanga ogenze n'ogattako wali ere oba ogenda okikola n'okigatta nawali era awalala okitegeere bakitegeeza nti okyasobola gatta zino ze shower room n'ogatta naki ne toilet kati waneeno byebinaabiro nga bw'obiraba. Yes, bino byebinaabiro nga bw'obiraba. Yeah, these are shower rooms. Okay, these are shower rooms as I may show you. Ebiri modernized ebiriko. You can imagine there is where you can put the soap. This one's for the soap. Echango otekako echango mulozo olaba na sabuno hiyo wano. Then wano so tekako engoye, you can put the clothes. This one is the hanger. This one is the hanger. This one's for putting the soap. You can see water. There is for cool and hot because it has the mixer. Yeah, this is the plumbing work. You can see this is the shower plus the AC. This one for putting the towel or the clothes. Okay. Yeah, you can see how it is. You can see how it is. Yeah, you can see. So after you go inside like this, and then you can close. Okay, you can close and you put the lock. You can see. So I'm inside. This is the shower room. This one is the hanger. This one is for putting the soap and the sponge. This one red. This one blue. This one mixer. There is one for hot water. There is one for cool water. So this one is the shower head. AC upside. This one's for towel holder or for putting the clothes. Yeah. Plus the AC. Plus the AC. Yeah. That's all. So you can see the overview. This one for sun. This one is for soap. See? This one soap. So you can see these are glasses. Yeah, that is it. These are the washroom. This hand shower. This for tissue. And this for water. See? This one is for flushing. This one for towel. yeah, that is it.